Hey everybody, nice Street Auto Plaza here, coming at you out of Mount Carmel, Illinois. Today we got a virtual tour for you for a 2017 Lincoln MKC Premiere Sport. It is a front wheel drive unit. It does have a 2.0 liter 4-cylinder automatic 6-speed transmission at 120,000 miles. We're going to take it around a virtual tour, like I said, and go through all the inside, outside, dents, scratches, anything we're going to find. It is a used car, so we're not going to hide it. It is used. So, starting the front end, both headlights seem to be in pretty good shape. A little bit of hazing on this very, very top corner. Rock chips. We got, as my finger comes across here, we do have some rock chips across the very front. A little bitty scratch right there. There is one up here too. It's a dark silver gray metallic paint. Pretty paint in this thing. Grill, it looks like all to be intact and in good shape. We're gonna go down the driver's side first. Coming up here, this front fender, nothing to note. Rim, excellent condition. Tire condition is roughly around 60%. Driver's front door, we do have one little rock chip there. Other than that, nothing to note. Passenger rear door, nothing really to note there. Rear quarter right here, nothing to note. Rim, good condition. Back here, you're talking about 30% on this back tire. And these tires are 235/50 18s. 235/50 18s. Moving on to the back, we do have a little light scuff, or a little scratch. I don't know if you guys can even see it in the video, but on the rear bumper cover coming around this side. Light little scratches up in here, you can barely see them. Rear deck lid, not seeing anything there. Bottom bumper cover down here, good. Quarter up here, good. There's a little ding right here. I don't know if you guys can even see it. Rim, good condition. Tire tread matching the other one, probably 30%. Passenger rear door, don't see anything there at all. Driver's front door is probably a fingernail, I'm guessing. Not see anything else. Front fender, looks like there might be a little ding right here. Rim, good condition. And tire tread matching the other side. So somebody put on newer tires in the front and hadn't changed the rear yet. All right, drivers, this thing drives out great. We're gonna go to the inside. It looks awesome. I really enjoy driving this car. Skin looks to be in good shape. Seats, all excellent. No odors in here. Smells great. Extremely clean. I drove this thing for about 2 hours the other day, and then this thing is one fast little thing, and it literally has the coldest air conditioner I've been in. I've sold a lot of cars. Passenger rear door, nothing to note. Good stitching, all that's pretty. Drink holder, etc. Back seats, I mean, basically look new. Get a 12 volt down there, you know, very clean all the way throughout. Power rear hatch. Surprisingly, there's a lot of storage space. Spare tire, good to go. It is actually quite a bit. Obviously, these seats do fold down. Oh, and this thing has a really good stereo system. Honestly, this is a really cool little car, honestly, I have to say it. Door skin, good condition. Childproof lock on both located here. Just put it straight in and turn it if needed. Back here, no rips or tears, anything like that. Good shape. Driver's front door skin, nothing to note on it. Front seat, no rips or tears there. Actually, yeah, there is, I'm sorry. Right here is where this creased right here. There's a little tear right there. Power seats, of course, all functioning. All right, right now we got 120,139 on the miles. And here's your selector for your start right up here. Starts up great, no ticking, anything like that. Do a quick rev test. There's your RPMs over here. The thing sounds great. It drives great. Like I said, this thing is extremely fast. Let me turn this thing down. Dual climate control, ice cold. Like I said, this thing will cool down on a hot summer day extremely fast. And it will freeze you out of here. That's all good to go. Your mirrors. Let's do that real quick. Driver side's good. Passenger side, good. Interior lighting, yep. Down here is your illumination. These two would be your up and down for your illumination for your dash. This will pop the rear trunk if you need to up here. Your on off for your cruise control, all that works as it should. Settings, etc. Coming over here, this controls your cluster up front, and then volume. If you want to use that, hands-free of course. Wipers, all that works as it should. Rear wipers, see it move. Yep. So your gear selectors are here. A lot of people get in these cars and don't know where they're at. So right here, let's go in reverse. Backup camera. Get back up here to park. Here's your automatic off for your engine. I usually always make that thing off. Auto hold and etc. I must have pressed something here. I don't think it has navigation, honestly. So we're gonna call that a no on nav. Heated seats on both sides. We're calling them working. Usually when they do not work, these things will kick themselves off pretty quickly. It's gonna take too long to know. You know, max AC, like I said, this thing's got one heck of an AC unit. Automatic start looks like we only have one set of keys. Down here looks like we got 2 USBs and a 12 volt. Down in here, I'm not seeing any. Yeah, there's a 12 volt in there. There is one little nick right up here on the very front of this armrest. Like I said, no odors, awesome stereo system in this thing. So let's go look under the hood. It is a 2.0. Said, guys, really nice car. I thoroughly enjoyed driving this thing. Quick little thing too. Okay, so 17 Lincoln MKC Premiere Sport. It is a front wheel drive unit, 2.0 4-cylinder automatic 6-speed transmission, 120,000 miles on this unit. You got any more questions for me, give me a call at 618-450-2600, or you can get us on the web, and you can see that CARFAX on the video at NinthStreetAutoPlaza.com. Again, NinthStreetAutoPlaza.com. Hope this helped your buying experience. You guys have a wonderful day.